Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's the Stingray. Woo, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at that. It's the Stingray. It's the Stingray. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's the Stingray. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. It's on now. It's on like popcorn. It's on like popcorn. Woo. Just wait until you see what I do with this. My goodness. Is this not delicious? Oh my goodness. Oh, I am just so blessed. I'm so happy. Look at this. Ooh, I've been just looking at this in the store and just drooling over it. And now I have some in my house. Oh, a gift from Tandy Leather. Let's see. Is there a note? Or I didn't even check for a note. No, there's no note. There's just, they sent me an email saying that it was coming and it's here. All right, good people. This is Sherry. Stay tuned to see what I do with my new skins from leather, from Tandy Leather. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying as always, be blessed.